As an language model, chat does not have the capability to earn money directly. However, you can use chat to learn about various topics that can help you in your career or business. Here are some ways you can use chat to learn and potentially earn money. Improve your skills. Use chat to learn new skills related to your job or industry. This can help you advance in your career or get a higher paying job. Start a blog. Use the knowledge you gain from chat to start a blog or website about a topic you are passionate about. You can earn money through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Write an ebook. Use chat to research and write an ebook about a topic you are knowledgeable about. You can sell the ebook on platforms like Amazon and earn a passive income. Provide consulting services. Use your expertise gained from chat to provide consulting services to businesses or individuals. You can charge a fee for your services and earn money. Freelance writing. Use chat to improve your writing skills and become a freelance writer. You can write for blogs, websites, and magazines and earn money for your work. Remember, earning money takes time, effort, and dedication. Use chat as a tool to learn and improve your skills, and then use those skills to earn money.